If you want stronger, more defined abs without long workouts, this 5-minute routine is all you need. 5 exercises, no fluff. Let's get started. In just 5 minutes, we'll hit your entire core and finish with a move that boosts fat burning to help reveal your abs faster. Let's get to work. Exercise 1, dumbbell overhead sit-up. Hold the dumbbell overhead and sit up using your abs. Move slow and controlled. Feel your upper abs working. Targets: upper abs, core stability. Exercise 2, hanging oblique knee raise. Raise your knees and twist slightly side to side. No swinging. Control the movement with your core. Targets: lower abs and obliques. Exercise 3, Russian twist. Lean back slightly. Keep your chest up. Rotate side to side and keep your hips locked. Targets: obliques, deep core muscles. Exercise 4, elbow to knee side plank crunch. Bring your elbow and knee together. Slow, controlled reps, quality over speed. Targets: side abs and core strength. Exercise 5, mountain climbers. Drive your knees fast. Keep your core tight. This is your fat-burning finisher. Targets: core plus cardio. For best results, repeat this workout 2 to 3 times per week and combine it with a calorie-controlled diet. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more short, effective workouts. Comment below and let me know the next workout you want to see.